ano po, New Chinese New Year. Pero nakikita ko yung mga mata nyo, parang gusto nyo makiusap. Kaya nandiyan si Secretary ko, sabay-sabay tayo makapagalitan. Kaya along with our other officers, nandito sila, inutusan natin si Deputy Commissioner IG, is attending the ATC. Nasa ATC na, no? And may sakit si Assistant Commissioner Jeff Paranina. And to everyone, our friends, hindi ko naman isa-isa, maraming salamat for your time to attend. And I'd like to, of course, may mga kaibigan naman dito na si Butch, 2030 pa, kaibigan ko to si Colonel Butch Bayan. Ano na si Makmak? Saan si Makmak? Paano naman itong kaibigan ko na si Makmak nagdulas? Di ba? Akala ko na-gere. Di ba? Di ba na isa-isa, no? Maraming salamat sa tulong ninyo. And I'd like to congratulate everyone for our 124th anniversary. Congratulations. Alam niyo, nabanggit ko na ito sa marami sa atin, sa ating mga kaibigan, when I took over the DOC way back, hindi naman, kailan lang yan, July 1, 2025, last year, ang tinutulak talaga namin maging commissioner yun si Colonel Noel Estanislao. Ang tutulak namin, okay na itulak. So, last July, when we took over, and then I was being briefed. And then eventually, I was explaining to my new boss, Secretary ko, ang ambition ko to be able to deliver 3 major programs for the President and for the Republic. Unang-una, ang pangarap ko, kaya ako kailangan ulitin so that also our partners in the private sector will understand where we want to bring the BOC while I'm the commissioner. First, of course, we will have to fully digitalize the BOC, our processes. Of course, I will not go to the details of this. Maraming hindi naniniwala dyan. But the good news is, the Secretary of Finance and President Bongbong Marcos we have their full support for this program to once and for all make DOC a much better trusted institution. We don't have to second guess Secretary Go and the President. We have to fully digitalize our processes. Paano na para ayusin natin yan? And there are 7 areas of this full digitalization. Kung isa lang, kung customs processing system lang ang ating i-digitalize, kulang yun. We have to review from the accreditation, risk management, smart X-ray machines, even the CCTVs, all these areas, linkages with other government agencies, linkages digitally with other economies globally. Yan ang kailangan natin gawin. And I've committed that. And right now, we're already in the process of negotiating with our CPS. Hindi ko na i-detalyo. That's number 1. The real solution to the problems that have been haunting the BOC is through digitalization. Maring hindi natin mag-perfect yan, but definitely the BOC will be much better if these processes will be fully automated. From the lodging of the import entry, submission of documents, which will include the bank documents. Alam niyo mga bangko, they will never collude with not so good practices because they have a bigger name at stake and a larger interest to protect.